How to file taxes in 2025. The 2025 tax season is here, and if you're wondering how to file your taxes in 2025 without stress, join SK Financial CPA. We provide services in Tampa, Florida, U.S. Our service pricing is very low all over Tampa, Florida, U.S. Whether you're filing for the first time or just need a quick review, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to file correctly, maximize your refund, and avoid costly mistakes. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your documents. Before you start filing, make sure you have all the necessary documents. Here's what you'll need. W-2 form. If you're employed, this form shows your earnings and the taxes withheld. 1,099 forms. If you're self-employed, a freelancer, or have investment income, you'll receive a 1,099 NEC, 1,099 DIAV, or 1,099 INT. Bank statements and receipts. If you have deductions like student loans, mortgage interest, or medical expenses, keep these handy. Last year's tax return. This helps ensure accuracy and carry forward any relevant tax credits. Step 2. Choose how you'll file. File online. The IRS offers free file if your income is below a certain limit. Hire a tax professional. If you own a business, have multiple income sources, or need expert guidance, a CPA can help. Step 3. Claim deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly lower your tax bill. Some common ones include standard deduction, education, credits, mortgage interest, deduction, child tax credit. Step 4. Submit on time. The tax deadline for 2025 is April 15th. File before this date to avoid penalties. SK Financial CPA is best choice for tax filing. At SK Financial CPA, we ensure your taxes are filed accurately and on time, maximizing deductions and minimizing liabilities. Whether you're a business owner, self-employed, or an individual, we offer customized solutions for your specific tax needs. We keep your finances organized and compliant with our professional bookkeeping and payroll management services. If you're facing an audit, our experienced team provides the support and representation you need. Contact SK Financial CPA for professional tax filing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.